Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. While I'm sharing with y'all the scenery around my condo, for those who are still watching what has now become my behind the scene for my upcoming shorts, on my latest I discovered a brand new bakery, and that is where I'm going to this morning. Right over there, but first, I took some pool time waiting for them to open. I'm on my way over there. This is my first time in one of those. Watch this. So we are in Bellinee, and in Thailand, that's the biggest breakfast chain by far. So my order came in. That's what I ate just before my workout. Watch the aerial view of this brand new Bellinee on this empty lot. Over here. And the second spot is the market where I will be going at the end of this video. Still from the Bellinee pier, I did my workout at this outdoor gym. But before that, I went to Pattaya beach to enjoy the view. And it was at this moment that I made my shot this morning. Anyway, this park has become my usual spot. Same tree, same animals. Enjoy the view. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate this content just like I did making it. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Today was home cooked meal, Netflix and chill. With ingredients from this market. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.